happened over there. This is like back to what the avatar that we wanted to see of yours on, say, like an Eid, but it looks like a lot of work with everyone else also being in there, you know, off the camera rather than just on the camera. Tough physical film for you to do, or easy tha?
It's always off the camera.
Yeah?
Hamesha. Only when you're working hard off the camera is that you get to see this on film.
You know, I like the fact that everyone is there. Bobby, I have to say, what kind of shape is this, man? A round of applause for how Bobby Deol is looking. What a comeback.
Not Bobby Deol anymore, Body Deol.
But he is. Bobby the body bomb. I like that. And he's trying to hide his popping out as well. Saqib Salim, I'm looking at you, man. You were also there.
Thank you, man.
And
Thank
Freddie,
you so
I can see, why are you wearing a jacket? You've got the biceps below that. He's the bad boy in the film. Maybe it's time for you to take off the jacket as well. So before I come to all you gentlemen, sir, was the requisite for every single actor in this film? Subah, 4 o'clock, if your call time is 9, 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the gym for everyone. Yeah? Was it always like that first? और डंडा मारा आपने अगर किसी ने नहीं किया तो?
नहीं ऐसी कोई नौबत नहीं आई है
सर दिख तो ऐसी रहा था आपने किसी को कभी कोई डंडा नहीं मारा कि अगर हल्का सा ठीक ठाक लग रहा है I can see little bit coming out from here, little coming out from there. बिल्कुल नहीं?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं all
that the post will handle.
But Salman sir, I've heard that Anil sir, on a number of sets, you're always the one who hits the gym first, and you're the last one to get out of the gym as well. That is a secret of this Raz, of the way you look. But is this the truth that you're always there, and that's your favorite place on a set?
That's the only problem. इसलिए मेरी body इन लोगों जैसी नहीं बनी आज तक.
Cardio में आप ज़्यादा believe करते हैं?
हाँ नहीं. But you know, I saw the trailer for the first time.
जी.
First time I saw myself and all of us, you know, Bobby, everybody, on 3D. I was completely dumbfounded. Absolutely, it's absolutely not. I'm not saying because you know, we all are part of this film, but I'm really, really that in India we can make a film like this. Yeah.
That is true, Salman sir. Were you? Is the enormity of it?
This is the reason why we delayed the trailer.
Did you?
5 मिनट रुक जाओ, 2 दिन रुक जाओ. Doubt है.
Absolutely right, sir.
But.
सबर का फल मीठा.
Sir, but on a serious note, as a film like this, when you make such a large-scale film,
race और race 2 भी दिखा दिया.
Yeah, आज की tweets. Those who've been following the tweets of Salman sir, you'll understand what he's talking about. Otherwise, sir, to make a film like this is very difficult. A lot of money being spent. It has to look like that also, you know. And so, you know, when you're shooting also, is there a little extra responsibility?
So we had about 16 cars that we bought there in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd get them back and share them. Now we can't because इतने छोटे-छोटे टुकड़ों के अंदर वो गाड़ियाँ हैं. You saw the cars being blown up.
Is that
real cars?
Is that the USP you decided? This is a big difference for you from your normal set. You know, you're into your dance. I know there's a lot of choreography that goes in there also. Like, yeah, action choreography is a little different. Were you overawed ever? Did you think कि कहीं यार मैं कर पाऊँगा कि नहीं कर पाऊँगा? You know, the scale that they want.
नहीं, वो डाउट नहीं था. मुझे पता था कि ये कर पाएंगे. Because एक तो कास्ट आप देख सकते हैं. Confidence वहाँ से आ गया. फिर रमेश जी थे, सलमान सर थे, backing me properly, so I knew I can pull it off, and I had a very good team to pull this off.
Yeah. It looks it. I have to come to the ladies. Y'all are looking as hot as ever. I hate watching y'all on Instagram because Jacqueline's hanging from God knows where, and Daisy, you yourself with your yoga, it's unbelievable. First of all, kudos for doing it every single day in and day out. It really takes a lot out of there. So I'm gonna clap for y'all because I know how difficult it is. And fantastic. I hear there's a lot of action that the both of y'all are doing in this as well. It's not just the boys doing it. So Jacqueline, a first of hardcore action for you, won't it be?
Actually, it is. I mean, I've always been part of very big action-centric films, but this is the first time I've gone all out and done a lot of action. And we have a massive cat fight in the film, and trust me, I didn't know if I'd make it out of there alive after Salman was present, Remo sir. I mean, like, it was just one of the hardest cat fights, one of the hardest action sequences I ever had to do.
So did you hit her or what? That's why she thought she couldn't come out.
Yeah, in the film, actually, yes.
Yeah, really? So when you're doing it, I mean, I know that it's all choreographed.
She kicks me really hard.
Yeah, I want to know, was there an incident when you know, you'll lose it? Sometimes, once in a while, it can happen, yeah. You know, you do the choreography, but still.
So I had my ankle fractured a month back before we were shooting for the cat fight. Oops. And there was one shot where we had to actually hit each other.
बंद कर दे मिक्का. ना बंद कर दे please. Thank you, Paji.
So the impact was so hard that I could really feel a twitch on my ankle again. So that was Jackie.
Yeah, a few instances. I think, yeah, I think I slipped up a few more times than Daisy. She's definitely more in control. Her action is amazing.
It was fun shooting for it. So.
Yeah, I can't wait to see that action as well. Freddie, you're the bad boy in this film. You know, I've seen you from your days of playing cricket. You would have made the Indian team. थोड़ा और खेल लेते यार bowling करते हुए. I think हमें ज़रूरत थी अभी. But I'm so happy to see you and Saqib in this setup, yaar. It's a really big step up for you as well. Also, I know you've done films that have been big on, canvas-wise. But तू बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होगा यार. To be with Salman sir in a film must be an amazing experience.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I've been doing action films. That's what he calls me because my character in the film is very metrosexual, you know. But amazing, yeah. I mean, you know, you'll soon see a metrosexual guy fighting, you know, in the film.
So are you fighting with everyone or what? तुम्हें सब मारते हैं या तुम एक आध के साथ ही fight कर रहे हो?
I tried to because they all avoided me. So yeah, I tried to.
And Saqib, my friend, this is it for you. I think, you know, every time I meet you, I keep saying, next step, next step, next step. You're a fantastic actor. Is this your next step? Do you feel it from inside?
I don't know. I'm just very happy that I'm part of such a big franchise. I still remember मैं ना 12th class में था शायद जब पहली रेस रिलीज हुई थी सर और 2:30 बजे का शो होता है तो मैं 2:15 पहुंच गया और मेरे दोस्त ने बोला चल पिक्चर शुरू हो गई, we'll go inside. So we've gone in, sat down कि आगे बैठ जाते हैं, realized कि पहले वाले शो का क्लाइमैक्स खत्म हुआ है और हमने वो क्लाइमैक्स पहले देख लिया and then we were just figuring out when we were watching the film कि भैया ये होगा कैसे. मतलब coming from there to be part of such a big film, to be part of a film with Salman bhai, Anil sir, Bobby, everybody on this podium is a massive, massive thing यार. I always say this, I'm a middle class boy in my head from Delhi. अगर मैं एक ऐड करके भी दिल्ली वापस चला जाता तो बड़ा खुश होता. वहाँ कॉलोनी में लोग मेरे साथ फोटो खिंचवा लेते. So for me, Race 3 is a massive, massive film.
I'm so happy to see you on it, buddy. Ramesh ji, it's a massive, massive film. Yes. Salman sir ने बोला कि बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े. If the best was required, you got more than the best. Are you nervous at all?
Not at all. Not at all. एक तो पिक्चर हमारी बहुत बड़ी है और सलमान है उसमें तो काय को nervous होना है.
But it's looking amazing. Now, when you're planning a trailer also, आपने अगर पहली बार देखा, your first reaction when it came out, was it like Anil sir says, Jackass? Was it like that for you?
नहीं, हमने पोस्ट में भी देखा है, तो हमको पता था बहुत
टाइम पोस्ट में पहली बार देखा.
बहुत टाइम लगा हमको बनाने में, इसलिए इतने लोग पूछ रहे थे कब आ रहा है ट्रेलर, कब आ रहा है. तो आई थिंक जब आप सबने देखा तो आप समझ सकते हो कि वो वेट वर्थ था जब आप ये ट्रेलर देखते हैं. तो आई थिंक आई कैन से दैट.
Before I throw out for the audience, I cannot leave you. The wait was worth looking at you like this. And I'm so happy to see this. I think you've resurrected your own career. You know, and it's great to see you back in action. Please don't ever run away again or don't ever leave like the mainstream because I think you deserve to be and we all always wanted to be here. So, good to see you back, Bobby.
No, I'm just very, I mean, what do I say? Mamu is my angel, okay? He is someone who's believed in me and he caught me at the right time when I was getting more focused in life. And I was looking after myself, and it's always, you know, you can, kabhi bhi kaam mil sakta hai. So I was trying to prepare myself for that, and next thing I know, Mamu calls, Mamu, shed utarega. I said, main kuch bhi karunga. So I'm so happy to be here, to see myself in 3D. I mean, that was always a dream to be a part of a 3D film, and especially Race. And we're working with Ramesh ji again, working with Anil for the first time, yeah. And I've seen him as a kid myself. And then with Jacqueline and Daisy and Freddie and Munna. I call him Munna, Saqib. We used to play cricket together in CCL. So तब से इसको मुन्ना बुला रहा हूँ. मुझे पता चला कि इसका नाम मुन्ना था ही नहीं pet name.
ये आपने ही रखा है.
चल ठीक है, मैंने रखा है. So I'm so happy just to be a part of Race. And glad that there's such a crowd. I've never seen so many people out here before.
That's why I said it's an event. With Salman sir, it's always an event. I'm going to open it out to the media. Shoot as you want. I'll just direct as you guys say.